And as y'all see, it does. See, it's turning. So this is out. So the only thing I gotta do now is pop this off and then swap it with the new one. Just like that. So let me try and get this off real quick. Yeah, like I said, now I need to clean out the interior of this car. But lock, unlock, y'all seen it.
Now I'm doing shit you can be proud of. My shit used to be empty, now half of my closet proud of. I failed, but a nigga got up. This and this shit get shot up. Punching my pocket not up. Rapping on finally making it rain while I was locked up. So my niggas just hold on, never worry, dog. I got us. Why? Cause it's up.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now, y'all read by the title. My door locks, I don't know if y'all knew this already or not, but my door locks are different. So when I first bought this car, I didn't get keys to it, so I had to change my ignition, and we was in a rush to get this car inspected. So the only door we changed for me to get in and out of was the driver door. So the passenger door, it was never changed. So I don't have no key to get in this car on the passenger side, but the driver's side I do. So we're gonna go ahead and install the other key, which should work. Let me make sure really fast. My charger keys. All right, so here go my keys to this car. It's the door, ignition, trunk. So this door one should work with this one as well, so we can go ahead and install this in the car. And as y'all see, it does. See, it's turning. So y'all see now that the key works. Oh shoot, now I can't get it out. Oh, there it go. So we're gonna be installing this one so it will match my driver's door. So yeah, like I said, man, that's what we're gonna be doing in this video, so I can have both my doors working. So if I wanna unlock the door on this side, all I gotta do is use my key, and I won't have to go all the way around to the driver's side, unlock the door from the driver, then reach over to unlock this side. All I have to do is use my key. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. Like I said, we're gonna be installing the new locks. Well, it's one lock, and like I said, when we was in a rush to get this car inspected, we only did one, and then I told myself later on I was gonna go back and do it. Now that I'm recording on car stuff, I figured what better time to do it than now, you know. I just changed my weather stripping, I got the door panel already off. Why not leave the door panel off and go ahead and install it now, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. Like I said, then we're gonna be putting the door panel back on, and yeah, we're gonna call it a day. I'm gonna stop working on the car for the day. I don't really know what else I really need to record for today. I'm gonna wait till most likely tomorrow, record a couple more videos. This is the third video I done recorded for today, so it's pretty good, you know what I'm saying? I try to make sure I record at least 2 to 3 videos every time I have a recording session, you know what I'm saying? So that's why y'all see me still in this red hoodie. It's the same day. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way. I'll be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing. We're almost at 3K. Maybe, most likely by the time y'all get in this video, I done been hit 3K. So I'm gonna make a 3K video, and I'm gonna take a few pictures with like a balloon and some stuff like that, you know what I'm saying, and post on my Instagram. So make sure y'all stay tuned for my Instagram. And pretty sure I already dropped the pictures of me with this box Chevy on the 26th. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna get back active on Instagram, but let me get out. I'm gonna show y'all the key work to the driver door, then we're gonna go ahead and swap out the passenger side. That way both of them will be working. So catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, outside of the car, I done left my key in, so luckily the door was already unlocked. So like I said, I wanted to show y'all see the keyhole. I get my key, watch the lock go down, up, down, up. So, oh snap, what I done did? Well, I need to put that hook back on there, but y'all seen, I can get that off real quick in a minute. I'll do that in a second. But y'all seen the key work on this side, but the key does not work on this side. You know what I'm saying? The key don't work over here. So we gotta get this one off and put the new one on. So it should be fairly easy. First thing I need to do is get this plate off. So let me do that first. Can y'all see? Not really. Alright, good enough for now. Let me go ahead and pull my hair back. Y'all heard my drill. Go ahead and pour this in some. So first, like I said, first thing I need to do is get these plates off, or get this one plate off. So it's just 3 screws. Got the plate off. And it should just be a hook, you know what I'm saying, that goes around this. Now the main thing I need to make sure is I put it in there the right way. Wrong key. Is it? No, that's the right key. Because I don't want to have it upside down in the car, so I need to make sure I put it in the car right. Why the freak is this mug not unlocking? Alright, yeah, I really don't know. I'll get it in a second. But y'all see, it comes with a hook, so this what it's gonna be in there held like that. So I gotta pull this hook out first, then I go from there. So scratch my finger up again. But you got this hook out. Like I said, it's all you do is pull it out. It's a little prong here, as y'all see. So you just pull that hook, then you should be able to, y'all come out here now. So once you get that, then this door lock should pop on out. And while you have this out, you should be able to put your new one on. You know what I'm saying? Straight like that. Alright. So, as y'all see, this is out. So the only thing I gotta do now is pop this off and then swap it with the new one. Just like that. So let me try and get this off real quick. It's a hook on there and I'm kind of stuck. I need to get it off. Well, I just went ahead and pulled the whole little assembly off. It's, if y'all look here, it's this small little hook right here I need to get off. So this will pop on off, and I can put this back on here, and it should all stay. You know what I'm saying? So it ain't really moving because this thing is rusty, but almost. Like I said, man, this thing is really rusty. So I'm trying to pop it off best as I can, pry it off. Got a few more tools out, but I don't want to bore y'all, so yeah, as y'all see though, we got it off. Now the only thing I got to do now is swap this little hook piece over to the new one, and we're gonna go from there. So like I said, let me go ahead and finish this up. I don't want to bore y'all. Y'all just watch me struggling trying to get, if y'all see it, this little rusted hook off. It's rusted on there, so I gotta try and get that off without breaking it. That way I can reuse it, you know what I'm saying? So I will come back to y'all once I get that off and get ready to put the new one in, or have the new one in. Then we're gonna go and test them. So be back in a second. All right guys, so we got the new lock in, as y'all can see. Let's go ahead and test it. There ain't nothing left to do but to test it. So we gonna hear it to click, push that down. Door won't open. Get the right key. Hey, just like that. Lock it. Won't open. Turn the key. Now I can unlock the door on either side now with my key. Let's go on over here. I went ahead and tightened that one back down so it ain't gonna come apart. Lock. Unlock. So got them done. Got them done. Lock it down. I don't know why the key gets stuck in there like that. Maybe I might have to do some adjusting, but I ain't finna touch it now. As of right now, everything works. So now I'm finna go ahead and put my door panels, the pad and door panel back in, everything with the new weather stripping. Y'all can see I can take them clamps off now. Do it in a second. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and put that back in here. And I'm gonna come back to y'all, show y'all the end result with the lock cover on. You know what I'm saying? So yeah man, this car is really coming together. Like I told y'all, I've been doing a lot with this car and I'm excited for the end, really. Get it painted and all that stuff. So yeah, let me go ahead and throw this door panel, everything on, the door card, the pad, and then everything, and come back to y'all for the outro and show y'all the end and everything. So y'all stay tuned. All right y'all, this is gonna be the end of this one. We now have everything back on, new weather stripping on this door, weather stripping on the outside, and forgot to lock it. I don't know why it won't let me lock it from the key on this side, but as long as it let me unlock it, that's all I care about for now. As y'all see, these stickers, I'm gonna put one of them on my charger. But yeah, like I said, now I need to clean out the interior of this car. But lock, unlock, y'all seen it. I'll do it one more time for y'all. Keep cutting myself. Alright, watch the lock. Just like that. We got everything working now. Go on over to this side. Alright y'all, so getting back to, my bad about the cut. But yeah, like I said, same key, both doors. This door actually let me lock and unlock. But yeah, got everything working like I said. Go ahead and lock everything up because I don't need nothing out of here. Let's go ahead and finish this video out. So I hope y'all enjoyed, man. Like I said, this wasn't nothing too crazy. Now the next video, it's either gonna be me painting under the engine bay of this car, or we gonna be fixing that back window, because all the other windows working perfectly now and it's just that one. It's the only one, but I got to get a handle first, so got to go by AutoZone, Advanced, O'Reilly's, one of them stores, and see if they got a handle. If they got a handle, then we can go ahead and do that tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? But right now it's late, it's getting late now, it's already 6:30. I've been working on this car all day, doing the weather stripping and then the door lock, you know what I'm saying? The door lock took like 20 minutes. Front weather stripping took like 30 minutes. Back weather stripping took like 2 hours, just because I was struggling to get that window out on this side. But once I figured it out on this side, that side was quick. So yeah, I had fun today though, working on this car. You know what I'm saying? It's a joy being able to work on this car and teaching myself how to do all this stuff that I'm doing on it, you know? So I hope y'all enjoy. Like I said, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all to where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. You know what I'm saying? We've been doing so well. Let's keep it going. Let's just keep going and keep growing and keep elevating. So yeah, let's just keep doing that, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one. Y'all let me know what y'all think about everything we done so far. Make sure y'all keep God first and God bless. And I love y'all. I appreciate y'all with all my heart. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.